What's up guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to install Tailscale on Windows. First go to tailscale.com/download. On the options available, click on Windows and press the download button just directly below the selection. Wait for the download to finish, and once it's done, open the installer and follow the setup wizard. The installation only takes a few seconds. After installation, Tailscale will launch automatically. On the new window, click on Get Started, then sign into your network if you already have an account. If you don't have one yet, click on Sign Up just below the Sign In button. This will lead you to Tailscale's account registration page. You can either choose between Google, Microsoft, GitHub, Apple, and OIDC when signing up. After creating an account, you'll be redirected to the welcome screen where you'll be asked to answer a short survey about why you're using Tailscale. You can skip this part and go back to Tailscale's login windows again. Click on Sign into your network and pressing the Connect button on the new window that appears. Once signed in, your Windows device will automatically connect to your Tailscale network, and you'll see your machine listed in the Tailscale admin console. And that's how you install Tailscale on Windows. Thanks for watching.